Hello and welcome back everyone to AW lectures. In today's lecture we will discuss iterative structures. So first we will discuss while loop. What is while loop? It is a condition which is generally executed before any of the statements are executed. In while loop the statement will only get executed if condition is found to be true. It keeps on executing as long as the condition is true. These are the 3 points and I will try to explain these points while using this syntax. So what the first statement says, condition is generally executed before any of the statements are executed. So while this is the condition, this condition will execute first before any other statements are executed. Second point, statement will only execute if condition is found to be true. If this condition comes true, then the while block will get execute. Thereby this statements or the that can be a group of statements or a single statement will run. It depends on your program. Then it keeps on executing as long as the condition is true. Suppose we have written on a condition while I is greater than 5, so it will keep on running until I is greater than 5. When I will become less than 5, this block will not work, so our code will move to the remaining statement. Now let's talk about do while loop. There is not much difference between while and do while. The only difference is that the test condition in the do while loop is tested at the end of the loop, and so therefore the body of the loop will get execute at least once. You can see from the syntax, here is a do, then there is statements, and then is the while condition. So what will happen is, suppose if we have following the previous example, I is greater than 5. So what will happen if there will be a bunch of statements in this block, so these will get execute as will proceed. When I will become less than 5, then uh, this block will not work and the rest of the code will get executed. Now let's talk about the for loop. For loop is determinate or definite loop, which means the programmer or the user is aware how much he wants to run the loop. Second point, the loop is initialized only once, which means that we'll initialize the loop once only, and with every iteration the value of the loop is updated and the condition is checked. And fourth point is, if the condition is true, the loop will get executed, else the statement was kept. So let's see the syntax of this. We write for, then comes initialization, then is condition, then increment or decrement, depends on your program, then the statement or the code which you want to execute, then the remaining statement.